Let me show you how you can increase your laptop's RAM without buying a new RAM stick. This works for all Windows and also for desktop. Doing this will increase system performance, such as speed and also system memory. First, click on the Start button here. After clicking on the Start button, search About. Click on About your PC. I'm having 8 GB install memory, you can see it here. So I'll be increasing it. Click on Advanced System Settings. Here, in this section, I want you to click on Advance. And where you have Performance, click on Settings. Here, make sure you click on the Advanced section here. And after doing so, click on Change. But before that, you can see where is written Visual Memory. The message here is telling you that you still have available space in your system. So click on Change. Click on where you see Automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Now when you click on that, you will see all your drive listed here. Click on the one in which you want to increase. Now click on Custom Size. Here now we have to enter the initial size and also the maximum size. Take note and be careful in this section. To do that, I'll have to open my calculator and do these calculations. The coefficient for calculating initial RAM size is 1.5, while the maximum is 3.0. So I'll be opening my calculator to do a little calculation. And also on my screen here, I've created this to guide you through.
8, which is the size of my RAM.
Multiply by 10 to 4, which is the conversion value of gigabyte to megabyte. Now multiply it by 1.5, it will give me 12288. Now I will have to enter it into the initial size. Right, so now let's calculate for the maximum size. I will say 8. Multiply by 10 to 4. Multiply by 3.0. It gives me to for 576. 576. I will have to enter that in the maximum size. Now click on Set. After doing so, you can see here the paging price size here has changed. Now click on OK. Here click on OK also. Also with this section here it has changed. Click on OK. Click on OK. And that's all. The next thing you should do now is to restart your laptop or PC. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you.